Hello and welcome back to your IELTS review videos. Today in lesson 7 we're going over the topic of fishing. Now, in a divergence from the original sort of format, some of the structure of the PowerPoint you see behind me is a little different, but don't be worried if you see them offset. Now, your first question and the answers will usually be your more basic answers, and then I'm going to present the intermediate ones afterwards. Why do people go fishing? Fishing allows people to catch fresh fish and they have a fun activity with friends and family. People go fishing because they enjoy spending time outdoors and relaxing by the water. Do you like eating fish? Question 2. Yes, I like eating fish because it's delicious and healthy. I enjoy eating fish as it is a tasty source of protein. Where can you see fish? You can observe fish in aquariums and underwater documentaries. Or fish can be seen in lakes, rivers, and oceans. Okay, so back to that first question. Why do people go fishing? Now, these are your more intermediate level answers. Fishing is a popular pastime because it offers a peaceful escape from daily routines and a chance to connect with nature. Many people are drawn to fishing for the thrill of the challenge, as it requires the skill and patience to successfully catch fish. Do you like eating fish? I have a preference for fish in my diet due to culinary versatility and contribution to a balanced meal plan. Or absolutely, I relish consuming fish, not only for its delectable flavor, but also for its nutritional benefits. Where can you see fish? Fish are visible in a wide range of aquatic environments, including freshwater bodies like lakes and rivers, as well as saltwater expanses such as oceans and seas. The mesmerizing world of fish can be witnessed not only in their natural habitats, but also within well-maintained aquariums and through captivating underwater documentaries. So those are your questions. There's not a lot of questions that can be asked about fish, so it's pretty short. But now we're going to go through a short reading passage to try and educate you more about the topic in case it comes up. Now read along with me, and as always, pause, stop, replay, research as you go to try and make the most of the opportunity. Fish has captivated individuals for generations due to its intrinsic connection to nature and the serenity it offers. The act of casting a line into the water, patiently awaiting a bite, fosters a sense of connection with the environment and opportunity for introspection. Beyond this tranquil aspect, fishing also provides a platform for camaraderie, allowing friends and family to bond over shared experiences by the water. Fishing holds a deep-rooted cultural significance in many societies. Coastal communities, for instance, have long relied on fishing, not only as a means for sustenance, but also as a cultural practice that defines their way of life. Rituals, festivals, and myths surrounding fishing underscore its importance in various cultures, highlighting its role as a unifying force that celebrates the bounty of the sea. Fishing has influenced diverse gastronomic creations that highlight the regional identity and creativity of each culture. The impact of fishing extends beyond the act itself, as it plays a pivotal role in shaping culinary traditions. Fish, a prized source of protein and nutrients, has found its way onto dinner tables in countless global cuisines. The popularity of fishing has given rise to ecological challenges, including overfishing and habitat destruction. As populations continue to grow, the delicate balance between human consumption and marine preservation becomes increasingly critical. Initiatives focusing on sustainable fishing practices, marine conservation, and responsible consumption are essential to safeguarding the future of our oceans and aquatic life. The lessons of responsible fishing remind us of the importance of preserving our natural resources for the generations to come. Fishing's enduring appeal lies in its ability to bridge the gap between human and nature, fostering connections that transcend cultural boundaries. Whether pursued for leisure or sustenance, fishing embodies harmonious interaction with our environment, offering moments of tranquility, cultural enrichment, and cultural pleasure. So that's the story. I hope it was interesting. Next, we have a very long list of words, and I'm going to go through them pretty fast. I hope you're ready. Leisure pursuit, something you do for relaxation or enjoyment. Intrinsic connection, a deep and inherent link. Serenity, peacefulness, tranquility. Casting a line, throwing a fishing line into the water. Awaiting a bite, waiting for the fish to take a bite of your bait. Introspection is reflection and self-examination. Camaraderie, a sense of friendship and mutual support. Shared experiences, moments enjoyed together. Deep-rooted, firmly established and ingrained. Sustenance provides the basic necessities of life. Rituals, traditional ceremonies or practices. Myths, traditional stories or legends. Unifying force, something that brings people together. Bounty, abundance and plenty. Prized source, highly valued and sought after. Nutrients, essential substances that nourish our body. Gastronomic creations, aromatic curries, flavor and fragrant spicy dishes. Regional identity, the unique characteristics of a certain area. Culinary traditions, long-standing cooking practices. Ecological challenges, environmental problems and concerns. Overfishing, excessive fishing that depletes fish populations. Habitat structures, destroying our natural environment. Delicate balance, a sensitive and careful equilibrium. Responsible consumption, thoughtful and sustainable use. Marine conservation, efforts to protect marine ecosystems. Bridging the gap, connecting and uniting different elements. Transcend cultural boundaries, going beyond our cultural limits. Harmonious interactions, peaceful and balanced engagement. Preserving natural resources, protecting the environment and its assets. There was a lot, and really you're going to have to pause and check every single one individually. Next up, we have our paraphrasing activities. Again, questions, statements, descriptions, and you're always looking at it for the last one. So, how would you paraphrase this question? Why do people go fishing? What motivates individuals to engage in fishing activities? Or do you like eating fish? Are you fond of consuming seafood? Where can you see fish? In what settings are fish visible? Paraphrasing statements. Fishing is not only a pastime, but also means a connecting of nature. Beyond being a recreational pursuit, fishing serves as a conduit for establishing a bond with the natural world. Or you say, the cultural significance of fishing is evident in various rituals and traditions. The cultural importance of fishing becomes apparent through diverse ceremonies. Fishing's impact extends to culinary traditions worldwide. Or the influence of fishing reaches global culinary customs. And next up, you have your descriptions. First off, you have your fishing for law, lies and abilities that foster introspection. Look at the paraphrasing description. Paraphrasing description is number 2. Sustainable fishing practices are vital for safeguarding marine ecosystems. And the last one. Fishing serves as a unifying force among diverse cultures. As always, thank you for listening. I wish you all the best. I'll see you on the next one.